Good governance, which is talk of the country. I mean, in many states, right from the parliament to many states, the good governance is the main the area which is discussed across the country. So, for good governance, the indicators, the data is the main input for to know how the governance is happening across different states. So, Public Affairs Committee has done an excellent job of coming up with a public affairs index where it will tell exactly how the state is performing. So, there are states which are performing well, there are states which needs areas of improvement. So, I request each and every state to go through this report and see that where the areas of improvement is required as far as this index is concerned. So, to citizens engagement, whether non-profit organizations, welfare associations, citizens to participate, they need to know how the governance is performing. When the data is there, when the data speaks, the citizens engagement will be more robust. More and more organization, non-profit organizations will come and participate in work in different areas. So, for example, in a state if MMR and IMR is high, the NGOs working in health sector, after seeing this report, can approach the government to work and make sure that the index is rises in the next research. So, Public Affairs Index, the PAC has made a benchmark to benchmark for a data-driven approach for all the governance across the country. So, I take this opportunity to congratulate all the foot soldiers, the analysis team and the head of the PAC who have come across this. So, I also look forward for the next report in the coming years so that I can see how the states are performing.